What I wanted to do right here is give you an overview of Skool, right? Specifically, the one rental at a time school. I will freely admit that I still have no idea what I'm doing. I am sure there are lots of bells and whistles in the Skool community that I'm still unaware of, but I want to let you know what we are doing today. Also, if you have any experience with Skool, hey, reach out to your boy and let him know other things that he could do for the community. Again, the community, I believe, as it sits today, is just over 190 folks. I look forward to the day of getting over 200. Let me share with you what is going on in the Skool community today, why the value far exceeds the $20 a month that I'm asking for. And also, I want to hear from you. What is some other stuff that we could be doing to even add more value? So let me share the screen. Let's go through what is going on. All right, now. Going to take off these headphones. So again, we are inside the Skool community. Again, 193 members, 193 members. Again, there is this community tab. This is something that I really look forward to exploding. I do think we need to get to 200 or so folks. But again, if you are in Skool, if you are being shy, do me a favor. You can put out a post. You can put it in general discussion. You can talk about your first deals, your wins, your buy boxes. Let me know anything else that you would like to have a category on, and I will include it. Please, again, if you are in the community, put out a post, say hi, ask a question, tell us your buy box, tell us your goals, all of those things. Then, folks, if we get to the classroom, there is so much value here. We have a 90-minute session on getting started, your buy box. Gave you a 30-minute masterclass on getting wealthy. There's a flip hacking live presentation that I gave that I think was very meaningful. If we scroll down there, the value gets even more. We have TYLG with a 5+ hour, actually, I think it's 6+ hour masterclass on creative financing. This is the kind of stuff that you need to dig into. This is the cycle. When the market gets slow, you need more tools in your tool belt because again, maybe there's equity, maybe there's not, maybe it's cash, maybe it's seller, maybe it's something else. And Ty goes through all of that. We'll come back to this special guest because this is where I'm just throwing lots and lots of material. So we'll do this one last. This was a boot camp, $1,000 boot camp. We got 40 some members through that. I've sold it as a replay for hundreds of dollars. And again, because Ty gave so much value, I had to match him. So if you're new and you're ready to commit, dude, 20 bucks, 20 bucks a month, you could go through this 10 week in 10 days if you wanted. You could do it in 10 weeks, whatever you would like there. So again, go get that. Bill Allen, one of our weekly guests, saw what we were doing and said, hey, I just did a challenge for kids to learn how to sell things online, how to make money on their own. So Bill Allen gave us his 3-day challenge to help kids. Might be a good summer project, right? If you have kids maybe 10 years or older, maybe go through this with them, see if they can't learn how to buy low and sell high. Then there is a live Q&A. I go live at least once a month, and then I record those sessions, and they are only on Skool. A lot of this material you're seeing here is only on Skool. It is not on YouTube. And just so you know, folks, I will be adding a new course today. That will be our accountability group. Our accountability group led by the great Frank and his wife, old guy, REI. You will see a brand new course there later today. We had my team create a special thumbnail for Frank. So again, you want to go through the accountability groups. You can't join live. They will be here week after week after week. So again, folks, let's get inside here to this courses. So if you click on the special guest, this is where you're going to see millionaire conversations. Again, the first one, if you have a lot of equity, but you need new cash flow, Matt, Dion, and I went through a discussion with Beth Traverso and broke down our portfolio. How about Jason Pritchard, getting your spouse on board? How about talking taxes with Bob Langworthy? How to start a YouTube channel with Omar. Jonathan Twomley talking about market cycles. Uneducated economist. Greg Dickerson, self-management. April Crosley, from welfare to financial freedom. Lumberjack self-management. Matt, the mortgage guy, talks mortgage. Anna Kelly. Anna Kelly gave us her 3-hour talk on the economy. You're going to have to watch this one a couple of times. Trust me, it is gold. Financial firefighter goes out of state. TYLG, Ty goes deep on creative financing. Millennial Mike goes out of state investing. Lance Lambert goes deep. And just this week, the one and only Henry Washington. Folks, there is so much value in here. This stuff is not found on YouTube. You can only get it on Skool. Then, folks, if you go inside the calendar, you can see that we are mapping out more and more discussions. We just did Henry. We did Lance last week. What one was this? Oh, the 17-year cycle. We talked about that with Dan Bird. Again, lots of great value here, folks. We're going to be doing more and more stuff. I need to schedule my monthly live Q&A, probably not this weekend, but the next weekend. Again, lots of stuff here. We do have leaderboards. This is kind of gamification, right? Who is out front? Again, just great team, great value. Be a part of the team. So again, love to hear from you. What are some things that we could do either in the classroom? What could we do on the calendar? We do have somebody right now, I think Jared, I think his name is, looking at possibly doing an East Coast based accountability group. I would love Frank to do, 6 p.m. Pacific. Maybe Frank does one Thursdays or whenever, Fridays, whatever works for the team, 6 p.m. Eastern, right? I would love to get more time friendly across this. Again, folks, if you are already in the community, do me a favor, introduce yourself. Tell us what's going on, buy box. Let's really get the community tab going. Today, I just checked, we are in the top 900 schools. I think that is amazing. As of this morning, I think there's 12,000 schools. So we are already in the top 1,000, the top 900. I have faith, I have belief that our One Rental at a Time community will once again change lives. I believe this Skool community is just starting. I believe we can get to 200 members this weekend. I believe we will get to 1,000. I believe we will be a top 100 school. I just believe that. I know I will keep adding value. I will keep asking what you need, but I have just this belief that once you join, once we start interacting, once we start asking questions, once we start answering questions, the community is going to explode. The beauty of One Rental at a Time is we all talk the same language. We are all rowing in the same direction. We all have different levels of experience. The beauty about our community is you can help someone. Even if you're just starting out, you can help someone, and there is no better feeling. If you've been in the game, you have 5, 10, 20 units, and you want to help others, join my community. It's $20 a month. It's not going to break you, but you are going to be able to contribute. You are going to be a positive force for good. And there is no better feeling. I go back to sitting at my kitchen table when I was writing One Rental at a Time, the original book. My goal was to create something that would outlive me by 50 years. I have every belief that this community will be one of those things. I fully expect that should we keep moving forward together, this community will be over 1,000 folks. We're not going anywhere. And should I pass in 50 or 60 years, this community will be strong enough. There will be folks like Frank and Matt and Dion and others who will continue the mission of helping people. So folks, you want to be a part of this. Also, tell me what you want. Tell me what you need. I can find more people to bring into the community for live Q&A. I can create content just for you. I'm going to continue to put more and more focus on Skool. Again, unique content you won't find on YouTube. Join today. If you don't like it, stop. You've only spent $20. All right, folks, take care. Have a great day.